Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today I am showing you a fun inside card. Opens like this and opens like this for your message. I used a Delicate Forest stamp set with the coordinating Delicate Forest dies. This is how I store them. And let's get started. So these are the pieces that you're going to need. Starting with a card base 5.5 by 8.5, scoring at 4 1/4. The inside card is 4 by 10.5, scoring at 5 1/4. I cut out the die here in Granny Apple Green, and then just a little circle for the sun. So let's get started. I'm going to fold this in half along the score line. Use my bone folder to make it nice and crisp. Same with the inside card. First things first, I'm going to take off the top. I put a T just to remind myself where the top is. And this is how I place my adhesive. Kind of do it in a clockwise direction just to maximize it so it'll stay down. You center it here. Then I'm going to get some Granny Apple Green. Here's the small tree. I stick it here. Stamp right there. For the inside one, I do a little trick. Oop, little dust bunny. Full strength. 2nd degree and 3rd degree. I like that effect of that. Then on this side, this is where it goes. So I'm trying to gauge kind of where the grass is going to be and where the sun's going to be, and I'm using this one here for the grass. And I stamp off of it, so I'm going to get a piece of scratch paper here and bring this in here. Don't lose my sun. So stamp off here. And then I'm going to, I think it's about this there. And I flip it. So it kind of looks like the grass. Just progressing there. Let's do this one upside down. And then just keep going. I guess randomly. And then this one can be a little darker because it's closer. It's going to be covered, I think. Let's test it. Yeah. And then for the sun, I got some fresh curry. A little dauber. Just going to there and then smush a little. So it'll be right there. But then I wanted to do the, what do you call it? The accents of the sunset. There. So a little adhesive on the back of the sun. Then some lovely glue, Tombow glue for the edges. And don't forget the little hangover leaves because you don't want those popping up. So just little dots on the middles. Doing them as much as you like, but not too much that the glue oozes over. Center it there. And there you go. So, push that leaf down. There we go. and choose whatever sentiment you like. So let's put that away. And thanks for letting me share this with you. If you'd like more video tutorials of this, please like, comment, and be sure to subscribe to my channel to see more of these videos. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Have a great day. Bye.